This is the first snowstorm of the year. On the ground. Isn't that beautiful? I'm now in a safety zone. Look at my hat, you can see it. On that side, all the snow. But anyway, there's a blizzard. That's what it looks like in Illinois right now. December 20th, the day before the earth ends. Here's a car in a ditch on the left and a truck on the right. I don't know what they're doing. Something's happening here. This is the last day of the planet, December 21st, 2012. The Mayan calendar says we're ending life today and the planet's going to fly apart. So these might be the last pictures that we see. Right now we're heading east on Route 9 toward Bushnell, Illinois. It's slick out here. It's really slick. We're coming up on some vehicles stuck in the road here. We have one on each side. There's one on the right. He's stuck in the snow. There's one car. Okay, here's a car stuck in the snow. This is car number 5 in 3 miles. There's car number 6 in 4 miles. Car number 7. And over here is car number 8 in 5 miles. We're coming into Bushnell now. The snow's not deep, but it was really wet. When you tried to walk outside yesterday, it was just blasting you with wet raindrops mixed with the snow, and it was freezing right on the road and it turned into solid ice.